For days the market has been holding its breath, a silence before the storm. But beneath the surface, on the 2-week time frame of a coin you might think is just a joke, a pattern has emerged. A rare, potent signal that has crypto analysts buzzing. We're talking about Fartcoin, and if this plays out it won't just be a rally, it will be an explosion. Are you ready for what's coming? Despite its whimsical name, the technical indicators and market data are screaming for attention. At press time, Fartcoin is trading around $1.09. It's seen a slight correction, a common occurrence in this volatile crypto market. But here's where it gets interesting. A top analyst, known as CRG on X, has spotted something truly remarkable on Fartcoin's 2-week time frame. They've identified a rare inside bar pattern. Now, for those of you new to advanced trading strategies, let me break this down simply. An inside bar is a candlestick pattern that signals market indecision, a pause where neither buyers nor sellers have a clear advantage. Imagine a mother bar, a large candle, and then the next candle, the inside bar, is completely contained within the high and low range of that mother bar. It's like the market is coiling, compressing energy, waiting for a catalyst, and when it breaks out, it typically moves with the force equivalent to the height of that mother bar. For Fartcoin, that mother bar stretched from roughly 79.5 cents to $1.53.8 cents. That's a massive range, a potential move of 74.3 cents. So, if Fartcoin breaks above that $1.53.8 cents resistance level, CRG's analysis suggests we could be looking at a target price of $2.28. Think about that. From its current price, that's a potential rally of over 93%. This is exactly the kind of setup that professional crypto traders dream of, a high-probability opportunity. But is it just a technical pattern, or are there deeper market forces at play? Let's dig deeper. So, the inside bar pattern is signaling a potential mega move. But what else is confirming this bullish sentiment? Because in the world of decentralized finance and digital assets, we always look for confluence, for multiple signals aligning. First, let's talk about volume. CRG's chart clearly shows that over the past 2 weeks, despite the slight price correction we mentioned, the buying volumes have remained significantly high. This isn't a dead cat bounce. This is strong accumulation. Smart money, institutional money, perhaps even retail investors with deep pockets, are quietly building positions, sensing the coming breakout. If Fartcoin can sustain this high buying pressure, it provides the fuel for those explosive gains. Remember, in crypto investment, volume often precedes price action. Now let's move to the derivatives market, specifically open interest. This is where things get truly compelling. According to data from CoinGlass, the open interest for Fartcoin futures contracts has surged by over 8.4%, hitting a staggering $754 million. To put that into perspective, among meme coins, this is the second highest open interest, only trailing Dogecoin itself. This isn't just speculative interest, this is a massive influx of capital into Fartcoin derivatives. High open interest typically indicates substantial new money entering the market, suggesting strong conviction in the current trend. It shows that professional traders are betting big on Fartcoin's future price. And it gets even better. When open interest rises alongside price, it's a powerful bullish signal. It tells us that traders are opening new long positions, actively betting that the token's value is going to increase. This isn't just closing out old positions, it's fresh capital pouring in. Adding another layer to this bullish narrative is the funding rate. For Fartcoin, the funding rate is currently in the positive region. So what does that mean? In perpetual futures, a positive funding rate means that traders holding long positions are paying a fee to traders holding short positions. This happens when there's an overwhelming demand for long positions, which, indicates a strong bullish bias in the market. Essentially, the bulls are so confident they're willing to pay the bears to maintain their positions. This tells us the overwhelming sentiment in the derivatives market is that Fartcoin is going to rally. And then we cannot ignore the broader market catalysts. As CoinGape recently reported, the entire meme coin sector is experiencing a significant surge. Why? Well, it's because of figures like Elon Musk. His recent announcements about supporting crypto assets, especially after forming a new political party, have really ignited fresh excitement and speculative capital across the meme coin landscape. So, Solana-based meme coins like Fartcoin are particularly well positioned to capitalize on this renewed interest because of Solana's high speed and low transaction fees. That actually makes them ideal for rapid trading and, honestly, viral adoption. This macro tailwind could be the final ignition for Fartcoin's next leg up. All these factors, the technical pattern, surging buying volume, massive open interest, positive funding rates, and the booming meme coin market, are converging. The confluence of these signals is, well, almost deafening. So what does all of this mean for you, the astute investor watching this channel? It means we are on the cusp of a potentially life-changing opportunity. The fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, and the market sentiment are all aligning for Fartcoin. This isn't just about a meme coin, it's about understanding the intricate dance between on-chain data, derivatives markets, and broader crypto narratives. The inside bar pattern, backed by surging open interest and positive funding rates, paints a very clear picture of accumulating bullish pressure. A 93% rally to $2.28 isn't just a possibility, it's actually a high probability outcome if this pattern breaks out as expected. This is a moment where, discipline and swift action can really pay dividends. But remember this, my viewers, the cryptocurrency market is a wild, unpredictable beast. While the signals for Fartcoin are incredibly strong, no investment is without risk. Please be aware that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves substantial risk. The information provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research. Understand the risks involved and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Your capital is at risk. For those who are prepared, for those who have done their due diligence and understand the potential, Fartcoin might just be the next major play in the meme coin space. Keep your eyes locked on that $1.53 resistance level. The fuse is lit. Get ready for an explosive move. The future of decentralized finance is unfolding, and sometimes honestly the biggest gains come from the most unexpected places. Are you ready to be part of it?